गाड़ी बंद करा। काय होईल?
In fact, despite several incidents, be it about chopper landings, be it about preparing grounds for sports activities where certain politicians are going to grace the event, or even the chief minister's visits, we have seen this kind of wastage of water to prepare grounds, to prepare roads, clean up the area at a time when Maharashtra is reeling under a drought, and especially in Amravati being in the Vidarbha region and also adjoining Marathwada, facing a lot of problems with respect to water. When the citizens need water, there is no water, but it seems that the government is able to get water, the district administration is able to get water for such wastage.
That's correct. You will remember in Kajal, you also reported on the story from from Latur, where water was being wasted by a Congress MLA, the son of a former chief minister, and we tracked that story very closely, and the story of the IPL, and then the story of water being used for helipads. Seems like there's no. Is there a message that's gone out from the chief minister's office or from the government to the district administration to avoid such incidents, to avoid wastage of water, especially for VVIPs?
There has been outrage and a lot of questions have been raised by everyone involved in this particular, especially by the citizens in cases like this. But there has not been a really clear message sent out by the chief minister or the administration. Every time the administration is questioned on these things, they have said the reply always is that it was necessary and that the water was purchased and it was not drinking water. That seems to be one of the go-to explanations for these kind of events. But no clear word from the government. In fact, most of the times that we have seen, the government and various other participants of the machinery try to pretend as if it didn't happen.
जो HODs है उन लोगों से सबसे पूछताछ की और मुझे ऐसी सबसे जानकारी मिली कि वो टैंकर जो है वो महानगर पालिका का है ही नहीं और इस विषय में कलेक्टर साहब इसकी इंक्वायरी कर रहे हैं तो वो उसके अंदर प्रॉपर डिसीजन लेंगे।
तो क्या कार्रवाई हो सकती है इसके ऊपर?
जो कोई पानी का वेस्टेज इस तरीके से कर रहा है उसके ऊपर जो नियम के अनुसार जो कार्रवाई होगी जो पूरी तरह से होगी।